I am Arun Kumar. I am staying at RR Nagar. I had a issue of breathing problem. During night, I was not able to sleep properly, and I visited RR Nagar SPARSH Hospital, Sandhya Patil ma'am, to consult about my issue. I had severe headaches, not able to breathe, and not having proper sleep. Once I visited, ma'am asked me to take some test, and then she told there was a deviation in my nose. Septoplasty has to be done, and then along with that, Turbinoplasty and FESS has to be done to remove the infections.
Arun Kumar came to us with a history of constant nasal blockage on one side, left side. He told he could not perceive the smell, or also had a little bit of snoring issues. So we did a CT scan for him, and we diagnosed that there were some polyps. These polyps are secondary to allergic reactions. So there were polyps on one side of his sinuses. So based on the CT scan, we explained him that he would require for a surgical removal of these polyps. Then he agreed to undergo the surgery. The surgery we performed is functional endoscopic sinus surgery, which was also clubbed with a septoplasty, endoscopic septoplasty and a turbinoplasty. So post-operatively, we do a follow-up of weekly once and then after 2 weeks, and we give them nasal washes to make sure that all the debris is cleared. We also do the cleaning of the nasal cavity. And post 3 weeks, once we see that the cavity is healed well, we also connect them to an immunologist, where he would do a skin prick test. Based on that, they will get to know what allergies these patients have, and then they would recommend immunotherapy medications. This will ensure that the recurrence of the polyps is taken care of. So he is doing good now. He's been in constant follow-up with us, and it's been 2 months. He's doing good now.
So I underwent a surgery as suggested by ma'am. She explained the procedure very well, and she was very good in treating the patients. I undergone the surgery, had hospitalized for 1 day for monitoring. After that, I recovered very well. After 10 days, I came for checkup. Everything was fine. Now I am able to sleep properly. I am not having any breathing issues. I am able to walk, feel very good with my health. So thank you very much for SPARSH Hospital and Sandhya Patil ma'am.